Hey guys, this is Sunil. Finally, I have some time that I can record a video of what I do. So I thought I'll start with showing you guys my screen to start with. I will discuss or I'll show you what I do in terms of my day trading later, but let me show you how I have my screen set up because that's very important. Without this whole setup, I won't be able to do what I do. It requires quick responses. It requires everything to be available for me to be able to just click in and out. And I have this all set up. It has taken a lot of time for me to figure out how to do this. Some of these things are basics. You can always have a chart, on any screen. You can get a chart. You can get chart with multiple time frames. You can do that. I mean, there are so many options over here. You can add your indicators as you like. So these are all these are just basics. I mean, anybody can get it, or everybody knows about this. What is not commonly known is how do you actually trade options, like a particular strike with a particular expiry date. How do you get that over here? Maybe you guys know about it, but it took me some time to figure out how I can trade options just the way I can do it with a stock. Like if I just want to trade a stock, I can just go on this window, make it maximize, and I can just get my trading ladders over here. This is the times and sales, and you can get an active trader over here. Oh, that goes here, active trader, and then times and sales. I like these two. So that's with the stock, which opens just right away, and you can trade the stocks. But then, what if you need to do options trading? That's what I do. I only do options most of the time. Sometimes I do stocks. So these are the windows I created along with these. It's not that difficult once you know what you're going to do. I mean, once you know what to do. All I do is I go to the option chain here, and this everything that I do, it's these windows that you see. These are all created already. All I have to do is just paste the whatever that's called, the option chain detail here, and it pops up all the detail. And I have these multiple of these windows. These two are in this window itself, but I have individual windows just in case I want to pull out something from somewhere else. Like I have a chart here. I got 6 stocks that I'm watching, and I got multiple screens just like this on another screen. So I can just go there and pull out one, and then I can just paste it in one of these boxes, and I have it ready to trade. And I can trade multiple charts at a time. It's just that you have to watch. You can't do too many at a time. You can't focus on one. So my main that I trade is always here. It's most of the time I start my day with Apple. If Apple is not doing well, then I look for something else. Or if I have already found something like one day Baba was moving, one day AMD was moving. So however, I like I can change these things. But this is what I do. Let me show you how I have come up with these windows. This is nothing but just you see it's the active trader, and it's a combination of active trader and times and sales. This one, if I take that off, that's gone. It's just times and sales. So it's just a window a box that I've created with active trader and times and sales. 2 things, and then these options I have added according to what I wanted, and so I can just do quick I I can take quick positions or get out of a position. And I've added two here. Sometimes I play calls and puts on the same stocks, or sometimes I play different strikes of the same side, like call, or sometimes I just add another stock here. How I do this is I go to all products here, and then if it's Nvidia, if I'm trading, like I have a position here on Nvidia. Anyway, if I want, and I do this before market opens actually, or sometimes if I catch it late, then it's late, but still. But most of the time I have it all ready. All the windows are already ready. All I have to do is just buy and sell whenever the time comes. So here, go to any of these chains. You can place order from here, but then you don't know what's going on the chart. I mean, you can definitely look at it, but it's not that quick for what I do. I don't like to place orders here, and then it doesn't get executed at your price, or it just keeps waiting somewhere. So what is this, Nvidia? Yeah, let's go to, if it's 228, whatever I want. If I want 220, I'll go here. If I want call this side, put this side. I go here, right click on it, copy that particular option chain. So I'll just copy that, go to active trader, go to that box that I have, and paste it. There you go. I got the Nvidia 220 call for 10th September, and there it is. Same thing I can do with the put. I can do with whichever I want, whatever stock I want. So this is my setup. And anytime I am trading, like intraday trading, if I'm trading Apple or Nvidia, any of these major stocks I'm trading, I always have the futures I'm watching. ES, which is for SPX, NQ, that's for NASDAQ. I don't do Russell and all because I'm mostly not looking at small cap. I don't do a lot of time. I'm not doing any Dow components, so I do that sometimes. I watch them, but mostly ES and NASDAQ, and I watch them to the minute, sometimes 1 minute, 5 minutes, depending upon what I'm doing here. I've been also watching BTC and ETH futures, just to keep an eye on that. And I do watch trade flashes over here. That gives me heads up. If a large trade comes up, I can see that and I can pull out and I can trade that. Or news comes up, hey, this stock is up 5%, 3%, on a blog mention or a media mention, I can pull out. I mean, this is really nice to catch trade flashes. It's happening and it's showing here. So a lot of ideas. Just 2 eyes. You can't get a lot of ideas unless you're watching this. So that's that. I also have the watch list. It's got its inbuilt, and I have my personal watch list here. I watch for the percent gainer, where I can pull out any of these stocks. I can either do stock trading or option trading, depending upon what's going on. So that's basically what I do here. This is what I wanted to show you, how my screen is set up. And I have multiple screens just like this. I have another monitor that I have charts on it, and I have these boxes to trade. So hopefully you guys will get something out of this video that I'm making. In the next video I'll try to go a little bit deep as to what my indicators, I mean these are simple indicators, everybody knows about it, but what I do with that, how I look for entries and exits. So I'll talk about that in the next video. I thought better to make small videos so It doesn't consume a lot of time. If I make an hour, 2 hour video, I myself doesn't stick to that. I mean, I don't like to sit and watch 2 hour video, or you'll just get lost. I mean, I thought let's start with some smaller videos. So let me know if you guys have any questions. There are many other things that I do here on this, but that's just, you guys might be doing that as well, or might be doing something else. But let me know how you like this. If there's anything, you have something better. I'm always open to learn and improve. This is how I've done this so far, by learning and improving myself. So yeah, let me know. All right, I guess that's all for today. For this video, we'll record the next one pretty soon, as soon as I get some time. Take care. Bye bye.